Alright, hello. We left off at the place where we were making a damage system. So today, as you can see, we're making a money system. So we're making a point system for this game. So you can see if we touch it, it moves to random positions, starts following us again, all that stuff. So if our lives get to 0, then it just stops the game. So what we want to do in this game, we want to make a money system. So I have a coin sprite over here. I'll just drag that out. I have a coin sprite over here. There. So I made the code already for this coin sprite. So it's fairly easy. So it just says when flag is clicked, it hides, and it sets the coin value to 1. Then it waits for 1 second, goes to random position, and then it shows. And over here, it just says when flag clicked, it's going into forever loop. It says if touching Billy, then it hides and waits for 0.5 seconds, goes to random position, and then it shows. Alright, so we want to make a shop GUI for this game. So this shop GUI is it's a bit easy to make if you follow along, so that should be pretty good. Alright, so let's make a shop over here. Just be patient while I make this. Alright, so there we go. This is our first shop item. This will be called armor. So let's make a new sprite. Let's call this one purchase button. So we don't want to make it the same. Otherwise, if we press on this, then it's just gonna toggle everything over here, not just the purchase button. So we want to make another purchase button for this thing. So I'm gonna make this. Just wait for us a moment. Alright, so this is the purchase button. Let's put this underneath the armor button. So let's how about we make this 5 coins? Okay, so we'll make this 5 coins. Alright, so the player needs 5 coins before he can buy this. Alright, so this is armor. Now it's the purchase button. What we want to do with this is that we want it to hide in the beginning, of course. We don't want it to be seen in the beginning. So let's hide this. Let's hide this as well. Don't forget that. Let's hide this. That should be good. What I want to do this is that when Billy presses P, as you can see over here, one flag clicked forever. If Billy presses P, then broadcast shop. And then when the enemy receives shop, it has to stop other scripts in this sprite. Alright, so I have to stop everything else. And I haven't said this yet, but it's also when I receive out shop, it's going to restart again. Alright, so I need to do that. Now this purchase button, what I want to do over here is that we want the character to buy stuff. So we want the character to buy some upgrades. So then let's say when we receive shop, and let's do forever, and I say if touching mouse pointer. So if this mouse pointer is on this purchase button, then it's going to set size to 120%. This basically says that it's gonna pop out like that. So it's gonna be like when you want to put your mouse pointer on here to click it, it's gonna pop, and then if you let it go, it's gonna stop. So actually, we need to put an if-else statement over here. So drag this out. We need to put the if-else statement. So yeah, there we go. So now let's put this over here. Set the size over here. When flag clicked, set the size to 100%, so you can actually see the effect of this. So over here we want to put a if statement. I want to say this basically is like if the mouse is down. So if you don't know what mouse is down is, it's like me doing this, like that. That's mouse down. That's clicking. So with this, we want to put a if statement inside here again. There's a lot of if statements over here, so get used to it. Now, say, because this is 5 coins, yeah? So if the money over here, when we're collecting money, then if the money is greater than 5, or, we have to put an or over here, then put an or operator over here. If the money is greater than 5, or it's equal to 5, then it will be purchased. Then the item will be purchased. It would say that change the money, change money by -5, and let's say thank you for your purchase. Now I want to show you a problem with this. So let's run this. The P should work for this. So if you press P, it should work. Alright, so let's go to this. Let's get enough coins. Let's get 5. Okay, there's coins over there. Okay, 5. Now let's go to the shop. Okay. Okay, it doesn't seem to work. So what's supposed to happen is that when we press P, when we broadcasting shop. Oh yes, that's correct. I didn't set the shop yet. Yeah. Alright, sorry, my bad. I didn't set the shop yet. So if we receive shop, we're going to say we should show. Alright? So it should show. Now, as you can see, when I press P, the red guy stopped because it received shop. So that means it stops. This guy is still moving because this character, it can't, when the shop is open, it can't really see what this character is doing. So it's going to say shop, show, and then, yeah. And when I receive shop, it's going to do this. And for the else, we're going to just set it to the regular size again, 100%. So over here, if the money is greater than 5 or equal to 5, then it's gonna say thank you for your purchase. It's gonna deduct -5. I'll show you the problem with this, like now. So we need to show this first. We need to show this first. When the shop opens, we need to show. And let's see this first. So let's see the coordinates. So the coordinates are -94. So let's just drag this out. It's already pre-made for us. So -94 and -68. Alright, let's save this. Wait, project saved. Alright, now let's see how this runs. Alright, so let's get some coins. Alright, let's get some coins. Okay. Alright, that should be enough. Let's get one more. Just be safe. Alright, there we go. So now P works. Now our lives are not changing because the red guy stopped when P is pressed. So let's see if we purchase this. Just thank you for your purchase. And as you can see, the money changed by -5. Alright, so let's say this. So now it doesn't work. Alright, so that's because that we don't have enough money to do that. So if we have enough money, then that should be fine, but we don't. So let me just show you a quick problem with this. Alright, so let me just stop. Let's just go to the shop because I want to show you a little problem with this. So let's set the money to 200. How about that? Okay, so now it's still running. Alright, so it stops in midair. It stops like that, but I don't think it's really a problem. I thought it was going to be a problem, but there isn't. That's good. So the problem I thought was going to happen was that it's going to keep on going, and it's not going to stop. But yeah, I don't think it stops. Like I don't think. I think you need to like continuously click it after it pops up. Yeah, there we go. So that should be good. That's good. Right. So the money should be set to 0 when we play. Yeah, the money's set to 0 when you play. And yeah, that should work. Yeah. Let's save this. Okay. All right. So I'm gonna try with another. Purchase that we can do. So let's make another one. So let's just be patient while I make this. Alright, so I'm gonna put another one called health, so you can get some more health. I'm not very good at drawing, so I'm not gonna draw a heart in this case. So I'm just gonna put it in later after this video probably. So health, it's 15 coins. Let's actually duplicate this. Alright, the other side. Let's duplicate this. Alright, so this has another one. Now let's change this up a bit. So it's not 5 anymore, it's 15. So if the money is greater than 15, or equal to 15, then it says this. Then it deducts by -15, not -5. Alright? So I want to put this over here. So that means that when it receives shop, we're going to put it at this one. So 133, and -64. Negative. Actually, let's put it yeah, -68 should be fine. I want to align with this purchase button. Otherwise, it's going to look ugly. So I think this is all we need to do for this one. So it's pretty easy to switch it up. All right, so let's save this. Okay, it's taking a while. Okay, project saved. All right, let's start this. Let's get 15 coins. How about that? Actually, get 10 coins. So wait, it's a bit hard to play this game. Enemies just following you around all the time. Let's get 10 coins. Okay, there we go. So let's get 10 coins. Alright, I got 11. Let's just get 15. Let's just see if it actually works or not. Okay, enemy's not letting me get the coin. Okay, it's gonna take a while. Let's drag it out. Alright, almost there. Alright, there we go. So let's go to the shop. Okay, so you see this is the same as this. It's aligned. Alright, so let's see if we can purchase this. There we go. So now we have 0 money. Yeah. So that's how we purchase stuff, and that's how we do our points in this game. Alright, so now you shouldn't be able to purchase this anymore. Yeah, you shouldn't be able to. Yeah, because you don't have enough money. You can't purchase this either. Alright. So yeah, that's pretty cool. That's pretty good. So yeah, I think this is it for this video. Next video will be talking about how to create variables and the significance about variables in our game. And we will be adding a sound system, which should be pretty fun. Alright, I'll see you next time. But other than that, I'll see you later. Bye.